Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I'm Stefan Bentler with Realty Austin. You're about to watch one of my incredible listings. If you are looking to sell, buy, or invest, you know what to do. You better call Stefan. Welcome to the highly sought after and vibrant neighborhood of Wells Branch, nestled in the heart of Austin. My name is Stefan Bentler with Realty Austin. Follow me. The open concept layout is perfect for entertaining, with a spacious living room that seamlessly flows into the gourmet kitchen. Imagine hosting memorable gatherings with friends and loved ones, creating unforgettable moments that will last a lifetime. Living in the Wells Branch neighborhood means you'll have access to an array of incredible amenities. From parks and trails to top-rated schools and convenient shopping centers, this community truly has it all. Your very own backyard is a private oasis surrounded by towering trees of old growth. Right in your backyard, you have access to trails for biking or hiking, whatever you desire. Take a look. Thank you for joining me at 2023 Cervin Boulevard in the beautiful Wells Branch neighborhood of Austin, Texas. My name is Stefan Bentler with Realty Austin. We'll see you next time. Thank you for watching this beautiful home tour with me. My name is Stefan Bentler with Realty Austin. If you want to stay up to date on Austin and Dripping Springs, be sure to follow this page, like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.